time to pull your investments in Tesla. Did you hear about this, by the way? Do you have that story, Will, about Tesla?
Tesla crashing? Yeah.
You know what's going on here? Like, what did you do about this?
Well, it's Q1 season right now.
It's okay? You're okay?
Yeah.
You're hanging in there? Mm-hmm. Tesla shares plunge as 12% as investors wary of Elon Musk's Twitter plan. You know what people are worried about, right?
Just him not having enough time.
Time?
Yeah. Being too busy working in Twitter.
No.
Oh, okay.
They think he may have to sell a bunch of Tesla shares to complete this takeover. That he's going to need some of those funds.
What do you think?
I mean, can he just he already got $20 billion in loans.
Yeah, I don't think he's going to have to.
I don't know. Musk may have to sell shares in Tesla to pay for his takeover of Twitter. Let's see why people are speculating that. The value of Tesla fell by more than $100 billion US on Tuesday as investors digested news that the company's CEO may have to sell part of his stake in the company to buy Twitter and will likely be distracted from his day job while he does. Shares in the electric car maker lost 12% of their value to close at $876.42. What'd you buy at, Mo?
I'm not telling you.
Really? Is that off limits?
No. It's I overpaid for it.
It's an embarrassment.
No, it's not an embarrassment. It's just it's one of my holdings where I know that
holdings.
If I use stock lingo, Lou has to stop me.
Yeah. I mean, you said it a little too casually.
Right, yeah.
So what would be the problem with saying this? Wouldn't that just be nice and transparent? And wouldn't that just show the people out there in the community that you love them?
No, I'll sprinkle in a little bit of information, so stick around.
Okay.
Every episode maybe.
So it was more than 900.
I'm not playing this game with you, Lou. You wrote me in, and then you get an answer out of me.
So what you're saying is... Yeah, that's all right. Listen. Head back to that article for a second, Will, if you don't mind. Shares in the electric car maker lost 12%. We saw that. Down by more than 120 US from Monday's level. And the worst one-day showing for the company since January. I mean, it already bounced back a little bit. Mm-hmm. You just showed the chart. Or did it? Give me the one day.
Yeah.
Give me that one day. Yeah, so, yeah. Listen, I don't know. Either way, I think he's going to be okay.
First of all, all stocks took a hit. It wasn't just Tesla, right? Like Google went down 8%. Mm-hmm. Microsoft went down, not by much, but Microsoft never goes down, really.
Right.
A lot of tech stocks took a hit.
So you're down.
It's Q1 right now, right? So everyone's doing their Q1 reports, and if you haven't hit the estimated marks, then...
Yeah. Well, there's a lot that's down, but we're up.
Exactly.
Q1's big for us.
Yeah.
So, we'll talk about it at our next shareholders meeting. But we got to invite the community.
Right.
Those are our shareholders. Musk owns more than 173 million shares in Tesla, about 1/6 of the electric car maker, which has a market value just shy of $1 trillion. What you know about trillions?
That's a lot.
His Tesla stake is valued at more than $150 billion. You know, this is a funny thing I was thinking. It's not funny at all. It's terrifying.
Oh, no.
To just spend $50 billion, and you think, oh, world's richest man, no big. Mm-hmm. But then you're like, net worth $250 billion. Mm-hmm. It's a big percentage of your net worth to spend on anything.
Right,
it's like a fifth.
Yeah.
It's a big percent to spend on anything.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But that's the net worth we know about. I'm not saying cryptos, but I might be saying cryptos.
Okay, I see.
I just feel like there's...
But isn't that more transparent?
What? Go ahead.
Like, to know how much he's holding in crypto? Everybody who tells me about crypto...
We don't know. We know he loves Doge and won't shut up about it. We don't know how much of it he has.
Oh, really?
Did he say?
No. I don't know. I keep hearing that crypto is very transparent. You can follow the money.
Oh, it's
only to addresses, but not people related to the address.
He could have 1,000 wallets. He could have. There's crafty things people can do. You know, so
that point isn't actually I guess you can still follow the money, but how useful it is if one person has like 100 different wallets, you have no idea whose wallet it is.
I guess it's just speculation.
Yeah, I mean, it would be a nightmare to manage it,
right?
In that type of circumstance. But maybe people can speculate on how much crypto Elon has. Maybe he would even answer it if anyone asked. I don't know. But there's crafty stuff going on.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, you know how crafty it gets in the billions? I got some guy email me and he's like, "Yo, you need to become a global citizen."
Okay.
That's what he said. Hey, he gave me like a list of countries and he's like, "You need addresses in these places. You got to start moving some stuff around." He said that amongst YouTubers, this is the biggest growth of his business. People trying to get financially crafty. Now, that's at that level. Can you imagine Elon's books?
Right, yeah. If that's what YouTubers are saying.
Where is anything? I don't...
Yeah.
You see that text exchange that came up the other day?
No, which one?
You didn't see it was between him and Airbnb CEO or something along those lines? Did anybody see that text? We got audio issues here. Well, sound issue.
Clipping.
Mic lag. SOS. Audio's out.
Is it out?
Oh my.
Well, yeah.
Looks fine here.
No way. Oh, wait. All good. All good.
I think
we die.
Mic lag. Yeah.
Refresh the page and it'll be fixed.
Restart the computer.
Who, you? No.
Plug it in. Plug it out.
Please don't do that. It's probably on YouTube's side.
Maybe.
Yeah, it can't be us.
Let me just check the stream stats here. Your stream quality is good. It's just green.
No, I think it's just on YouTube's side. Right. People say it's fixed.
Yeah, I'll keep watch.
Yeah, just go run. Everybody go run some Windows updates.
Yeah.
That was a joke. No, but there was an exchange recently about...
Oh, right. Between Elon and Airbnb, you were saying.
I don't know if it was the CEO of the company, and it was just, I don't know if it was leaked or what, but it would look like a text message exchange. And, oh yeah, you can click on the top, wait a sec. You're going to have to find it on Twitter, I guess. It was kind of sort of trending on Twitter, but then he bought Twitter and it got buried. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Whatever. Forget it. They were chatting back and forth about tactics.
Okay.
And it was just like, man, it was about like company arrangement, employee options, private versus public, things like this.
Right.
And craftiness, just general craftiness. Shout out, Jose. And you come to realize it's like, man, what the public actually knows about these scenarios versus the reality of the situation, the depth of it, the complicated nature of it, and the craftiness of it.
Mm-hmm.
Like like unrealized gains and trying to capitalize at the right moment, trying to sort of maximize. It's above my pay grade. Well,
mine too.
Okay, good. I'm glad. I'm glad that it's not just me over here, but it's what happens at these levels. It all becomes worthwhile to do the extra work.
Yeah, when you're sneaky.
Well, once you're I don't even necessarily know if it's sneaky. It's like whatever, the law's the law, but like the regular person, it's not worth it to get so crafty. But once you start talking about Elon money, it's going to be worth a lot of people's time to get crafty. Mm-hmm. So that's all I'm going to say on the topic for that.
Yeah, he probably has a lot of money managers all over the world.
Mm-hmm.
That's just crafting.
Well, even when he's gonna buy Twitter, and he's like, yeah. Morgan Stanley. I need
just handle it.
I need 20 billion. Like, facilitate the deal.
Right.
Stop bothering me. I got rockets to build. Stop bothering me with all that. And it was even something when he was making the statement to take Tesla private.
Right.
It was the same thing. He said funding secured. No problem. I got the what money? Doesn't have to be my money. You crazy. Yeah. So